Hey everybody, good morning. My name's Levi Woods. Welcome to Drawbridge Props and Armory. I'm finally gonna take a day off. I'm gonna build a Jorah Mormont Armour for myself to wear, which is super unusual. I'm a pretty big guy and I don't often get to wear the armor that I produce for people. So this is gonna be super special. I love to slip into something that I've created. Let's get over to the bench.
I have lots of different ways of cutting metal in my shop, so I tend to switch back and forth to whatever tool works best for the given job. And of course, on any job, it doesn't take long before I bring out my trusty power file. If you're interested in purchasing one, there's a link down in the description below of all of my favorite tools. My powered bead roller does a fantastic job of putting a 3/16 half rolled edge on each of the openings where it might chafe on me. Of course, the bead roller can only do half the job. The next step is to use these modified stakes that I built for myself and fully close over that rolled edge. This is a bit of a tedious process. The first step is to bring it over to a half roll. To kind of bring it over to 180 degrees. And then we'll flip it over onto the anvil and fully close it.
Give me a thumbs up. That helps out my channel a ton.
This pre-dyed brown latigo leather is absolutely stunning, but it is so hard to put an edge on. The oils in it really prevent it from putting on like a really nice burnished edge. I wax the edges, but it just never turns out quite the same as using vegetable tan. You'll see I'm kind of double stamping with my punch. What that is I'm giving an impression to make sure that I'm putting it in exactly the right spot. So I kind of lightly press down into the leather and then I give it its final punch.
Feeling pretty good about this chest plate. I worked on it last night. I've got it all tweaked and it's feeling pretty good for such a straight. Now the profile of this particular piece is quite straight because this gorget is going to go over it. I'm going to make a separate video on building this Stark gorget, which everybody wears, like Robb Stark, the Hound, Jorah Mormont wears it season 2, which is what this armor is that I'm going to build it, and they're all just slight variations. This is feeling really great. I've got lots of movement. You know, this movie armor, I'm trying to copy it as closely as I can to the show, and it is quite a wide armor. So I've got lots of movement here. I'm feeling pretty happy. I can raise my hands, move around. You know, it's probably I would narrow this up a little bit more if I was going to be fighting in this. But for movie armor, for costume stuff, this is going to work great. I'll be able to do everything I need to do. The next piece I'm going to build is this little belly plate. So I've got the pattern cut out for it, and I'm going to get over to the bench and get that hammered out. And then I've got to trim a little bit off the bottom here and make a back plate as well, rivet that together. And then this one's almost done. It just needs to be beat up and aged.
I could stare at armor like this all day. I mean, I absolutely love it. I guess I should. I built it and it is mine. But I have other projects to do. So please leave a comment down below telling me what you'd like to see me build next. Maybe it'll be one of those little gorgets. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe because you never know what I'm going to be building next.